Greetings from Costa Rica and welcome to this drone tour du jour. We're here in Playa Boca del Venado, an idyllic, pristine little beach that very few people know about. Many complain that they never get to see the context of Costa Rica properties or the real estate for sale. They want to see more of these beautiful little neighborhoods. And today, through this drone tour du jour, I want to give you an idea of the surrounding area and just how beautiful the neighborhood up this road is. We're going to take a look at 4 exclusive listings that are just up here, all of which are within walking distance of this absolutely amazing beach here. So without further ado, let's switch to our drone view. Now that we have the drone on, let's talk about this location. We're about 40 minutes south of Playa Tamarindo here in Guanacaste, and as you can see, this is not a touristy beach. There are a couple dozen private homes along the beachfront to our south, ending in a river mouth, meaning that there's no through traffic through the area. Those 20-some private homes are flanked on my right by the 18 Las Brisas titled beachfront condos. The Las Brisas complex has condos that range from 1,300 to 1,600 square feet, and it's the only condo complex directly on the beach, meaning there are very few people out here at any time of year. Now, as we head up the road in this direction, you're going to be amazed at how close to the beach the first 2 listings are. I like to take my car just because I would avoid walking if I can. But as we pull up the road here to the first home listed, which is called Pura Chante, you're gonna see that we're only a couple hundred yards from the water itself. This is an ideal location for people who love to stroll down the road and go to the beach. So as we pull up, you'll see Pura Chante, an absolutely exquisite, brand new 3-bedroom home on my right. Pura Chante is just next to Casa Breeze, only a few yards further from the ocean, a smaller 2-bedroom home. The next 2 properties that we're going to see are both undeveloped lots up here on the hillside. One measures 1,450 square meters, or just under half an acre, and the other is just over 2,000 square meters, or just over half an acre. Both of them are fully titled properties. They have water letters, they have electric availability. This street has high-speed internet available, and both of the lots are within just a few short blocks walking distance to the beach down there. Because this location is almost entirely residential, the neighborhood is extremely quiet. On my left here at the Y are the Villas Venado condos, one of the only condo complexes in the area. And on the right-hand side of the car now is the 1,450 square meter home site. Again, absolutely titled. We have water availability for the property, and the asking price is $130,000. The next property that's available is just a bit further away from the water in this direction. However, it's getting closer to the end of the road here at the mangrove down further. And the asking price for this lot, again, which measures just over 2,000 square meters, is $170,000. Here in the community, we're fortunate to only be an hour away from the Liberia International Airport. As I mentioned, this property, as well as the other lot just down the hill, are absolutely ready to build with water, electricity, and everything you need. There are 2 homes for sale even closer to the beach. Thanks for joining me on this drone tour du jour, and tune in next time.